Uy! Kabalo, baka sa kadako mga epektuhan na tayo magbibuhat. Balaga mayroon akong basura.
Hello, wag mo kayo mo po. Inong guys mama, don't touch the stranger. Pasok ko, wala ako.
Hadlok imagine nun da. Unsa na lang kaong may tabok na sa tua. Muna nga dapat pangalagaan din nato ang ato ang biodiversity. Kanang palanggaon ba?
Biodiversity? Sana?
Imagine walking through a forest teeming with life, birds singing, insect buzzing, land of every shape and color. This rich tapestry of life is what we call biodiversity. It's the variety of all living organisms on Earth, and it's essential for the health of our planets. But today, biodiversity is under threat. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, overfishing, and introduction of invasive species are leading to unprecedented species loss. Climate change exacerbates these issues, altering habitats and pushing species beyond their limits.
So karon, na-realize na nimo nga ang gamay ng butang dapat mag-epekto sa tuwa. Kung mayo po nasunod, mayo binuhatan na po din ang buhaton.
Sige. Sorry kayo ha. Next time, din akong pataglabay ng basura.
Sige, maayo na. Nya. Una na mi kay gisugo pa kog patod sa luto.
Hello everyone, I'm Nissan Justin. I support biodiversity and environmental activity. Our waste is our responsibility. Our micro effort to put it in a proper place have a micro effect.
We clean environment because we support biodiversity.